Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on announcements and recommendations, notifications in YouTube on your PC. If you want to stay up to date with the latest product updates and receive personalized recommendations, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. On the left side of the screen, locate and click on the menu bar. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Settings option. Step 4. Click on Notifications to access the notification settings. Step 5. Under the Email Notifications section, you'll see an option labeled General Product Updates. Toggle the switch to turn on notifications for these updates. By following these quick and easy steps, you will start receiving announcements and recommendations notifications on YouTube. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials on YouTube and other tech-related topics.